Hey plant friends, Angela here. If you are a subscriber, you probably have been wondering where I've been for the last couple weeks. And so I thought I would just jump on real fast and give you a quick update. If you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook, then you probably missed some of the memos. We've had a really rough couple of weeks here. My grandfather passed, and so I took the kids up to North Dakota and spent some time with my family. I got to see my mom and dad, whom I haven't seen in over a year and a half, which is crazy. But it was so good to see them, even though, you know, we wish for better circumstances. But we had to deal with that, and it's just been really crazy. And so I thought I would just jump on, let you guys know that's what's going on, but I have so many great things to share with you guys. So much happening now that it's spring. We have lots of new growth, so much happening back here in the terrarium, lots of things to propagate. I've been working, lots of things have gone outside into the raised garden bed that we made, but I still have some stuff going on here. And then there's been some items that have been neglected lately, so we'll have to talk about that too. But you guys know, you know how life is, right? How crazy it can get. Sorry, this is evening light and look how bright it is in here. Anyways, I hope you're doing good, and I hope this weekend I can throw out some good content for you guys, because I have so much to share, and I even bought some new plants online because it was my birthday. So hopefully they'll be here soon, and then we can unbox them together and we can do some growing. Okay, so thank you guys so much for sticking around. I know it's been a long, like almost 3 weeks since you've heard from me, but I appreciate all of you who are following me. Your kind words and thoughtful messages over the last couple of days have been really wonderful and inspiring. So thank you so much. That's it. I'm just rambling at this point. So we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm so excited to share some of the good things, especially some of the good stuff outside. Look, raised garden beds, right next to the pigeon coop. I'll give you some updates on that too. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully coming soon in another few days, 3 days maybe, okay? Bye.